level ground when you park, right? Then you pop off the top, right? Then you put your filter wrench on there on the lefty loosey, right? Let the engine cool a little bit. Get your napkin, straighten the oil leakage. Make sure the engine's cool, let that air out before I take the plug out. Place this phone down because I don't want it to drip all over everything, so give me a second. I'll place it over to the side right there. Alright, there's an old air filter. I mean, not air filter, oil filter, sorry. Alright, I dripped some right there. Let me clean it up. That's the old. You don't want that getting all over your stuff. Really, I should have. Put a rag underneath that. And really, you're not supposed to be recording, but I want to make sure you guys know how to do it. Feel me? Alright. Then you get your Liqui Moly engine flush, or any engine flush of your choice. And you just add that to the current oil that's in there, and this will flush out any sludge or anything like that. All right, so you just add this to your engine, the engine flush. After you close it back up, go ahead and start your car. Make sure this is fine on there, but you shouldn't leave anything loose, so don't hit anything on the engine, but this will be fine. For about 10 to 15 minutes. This was let it idle. After that, then you'll change the oil filter. 3 to 5 liters or 0.8 gallons or to 1.3 gallons of motor oil is fine before changing the oil. Which is added to the current old oil that's in there, and then boom. It'll clear off the sludge, make everything cleaned out. The vehicle, you turn off the engine. Look at that in there. Look how much that sparkle. Look at that, no sludge. See that sparklies in there? And you loosen up your oil filter. Make sure you guys take off the oil cap, then you drain the oil at the bottom. Do not undo this first because it is hot and the oil rises up, so it will spill all over. You'll have a mess in your hands. And if you do use a degreaser. So now you go underneath the car, undo the bolt, and then drain it into this pan. Alright, after it's done draining, you go and jack it back up. After you jack your car, you get to the center of the car, it is that flap, right? And inside that flap that you see is over the oil drain head. You go up towards the center, there's a hole, right? In that hole, there's a hex screw that looks like this, right? I'm gonna leave that in there, but this is
let me help myself out. So basically, it comes with a new oil plug, and it's plastic, just like the one that's previous. But the previous one, I guess, or use the old one from the 3 oil changes ago, and so it's kind of stripped the Allen part of it. So I use the star shape
tool will be in there, but this is a star tool. That's what I like to call it. And that gets right in there to get these out. And use your little socket wrench. Alright, there's that. Oil filter was dirty, so changing that out. There's the new one, paper towels, engine degreaser as you make a mess. Your oil. This is what I'm using for my 328i BMW 2013. It's that one. I have the Liqui Moly MOS2 anti-friction. I switch out that between the other one that Liqui Moly uses. I'll put it in the description. But I'll switch out and alternate between this and the other one. Alright, so that screw that I showed you, this one, without that piece, silver piece, right, goes underneath the engine and it comes out, right? But I'm gonna drain the car, drain the oil some more, and I'm rushing, so sorry about this video, it was all over the place. So lowering the car down some more so it can drain more of the oil out, since I did remove the thing. Once you got your vehicle jack back up, go grab your tool. All right. Grab some paper towels just in case you make a mess. Get your butt underneath the car. Stop being a sissy, get underneath there. Get your butt underneath the car. All right. So you'll put the screw back in. The AM. It's starting to click. You can hand click it and then you do the rest. Make sure you don't strip it though. Bam. Put that in the back right there. Once you got that screw back in, once you see what it looked like, and you put that cover back on. The screw, what it looked like. Look like that. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can turn the flash on. There you go. That's what it looked like. That little hole is a hex. You're gonna have to use these star tools to get it out if it's stripped. Right. But the oil is drained. I got it. We're good. So when you put this cover back on, that's what happens. You let other people do your shit. Sometimes don't strip your shit, or sometimes you strip your own shit. So I mean, I did this video because the camera's getting turned all kind of ways. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, oil filter on. So I use the OEM genuine BMW filter. Then new one in. speaking of stripped, this filter comes with a new screw plug, right? New rubber grommet, bigger grommet. You use this tool, this pick, to pick off this grommet right here. It's a rubber grommet that you got to replace with this one. And then replace the smaller grommet, the green one, with the black one on the tip, right there. So it has a new grommet. The others will be dry and brittle, so you need to replace these or else you break off in your engine. Boom. And install your new filter with all your new grommets. Lower your car, take out the jack. Check out the cameraman. Go back to the screwing. Yeah. I like the little degreaser on the outside, clean up right quick. Pour in your oil, pour halfway, pour in your Liqui Moly lubricant additive. After you add about halfway in to your 5 quarts, once you pour in a half of the 5 quarts, add your Liqui Moly MS2 anti-friction engine treatment. There's other engine treatments out there for anti-wear protection, but I'm gonna add this on top of the oil. And then I'm gonna add some more oil on top of that after I pour this in there. Boom. Stuff looks crazy. Add to the engine oil. And what that's supposed to do is that it sits on top of the oil and causing more lubrication. After you put the engine oil top back on, make sure nothing's loose in the engine, around the engine. All right. Then you come over and start your car. It's vehicle info. The car's already feeling smoother, but probably needs another quart. All right, so go measure engine oil. All right, so you guys start measurement. Like I said, we're probably gonna need more oil. But you don't wanna add too much, then it'll drain the shit back out. Measure twice, cut once. Make it feel like it needs like another quart. Yep, so it's low, we're gonna add oil. Take off your cap. So I remeasured it, max, we're good. So that's how you change your oil. Check out my other videos, subscribe, so then I have more energy to make more videos. Cause and effect. Love y'all, bye.